So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a test on the Volvo S40, and we're going to do a engine mount test. Now, the symptoms you get when you got a loose engine mount or it's going is you get vibration coming through the car, and you can get that just to tick over. You'll also get a thumping noise sometimes when you change gear from going forward to reverse, that type of thing. And they're the general things that happen when you get a loose engine mount. Another thing also that can happen, and you've got to be wary of, is if you leave it, it's going to cause the exhaust to fracture. So if you leave it, it's going to cost you more money in the long run. So pay attention to it. What I'm going to have a look at today is the front engine mount, and as I work my way around the car, I will video the other engine mounts as we replace them. So here we go, let's turn the key, let's see what happens. So we've got a bit of vibration coming up through the dashboard. That's an indication of something's a little bit loose somewhere. So we'll go and have a look. And what I'm going to do is set the camera up next to the engine, and we're going to see if we can visually see the engine moving. Okay. And so that concludes the engine mount test for the Volvo S40. As you can see from the video, looking at it sideways on, you can see the engine move forwards and backwards. We then changed the camera, put it on my little gorilla pod thing, and just placed it underneath the car, pointing towards the front engine mount, and put a light on there as well, and just recorded that as well, so you can see the amount of movement in that. So that wants replacing. So when that comes up for replacement, I'll video that and show you how to replace it, and then we'll work our way around and look at the rest of them. Thanks for watching the video, hope it was useful to you. Catch you in the next one. Thanks.